What's up?
Okay, guys. I'm back out here this morning with
Backlash Fishing. Fisherman. Yeah, I can't say my channel name right, bud.
And you know who I am this morning. I'm first time casting adventures.
First time whatever adventures.
So we're back out here. We're back out here on the pond again, you guys. It's a beautiful place, actually. So most of the time, I mean, last time we were here, I think we had our greatest adventures over here on the right. So we're gonna see if we can. Well, you see, Backlash is already fishing, so we're gonna see if we can get on anything. Okay, y'all stay tuned. It's a lot of crud out here today. Got him.
He hit right there at the boat.
I saw that. I heard it.
I did not. I was not filming either.
What kind of bait you using? Oh man, no wonder he saw it. Look at the color of that thing.
So Clyde, there should be a pair of
whoa.
Now there should be a pair of
guys, got the first one on the what is it, the
rattle trap
Z-Man gray and black top, lipless crankbait. Yeah, all right, somebody did want to come out and play. Thank you, buddy. Oh, there you go. Whatever it is, small, coming right in. It's a bass. Yeah. Oh yeah, come here, buddy. Thank you for coming. Appreciate it.
You see me trying to mess up your thumbnail.
Oh man. Oh wow. He was having it in his mouth. I didn't even know it. He was just holding it in the water. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. He was just sitting there holding it in his mouth. It went slack.
I got the scale back here to put him on.
No,
he's a pound.
He ain't scale worthy. Water. Okay. Oh, that's a bass. No, it ain't. I was looking at his big head from the back. It's another chain pickerel. He engulfed that thing. I'm about tired of you guys. You want to mess up everything. Give my bait back.
Oh, you got the long rip.
Yeah, I ain't taking no chances with this thing, man. Thrash too much. He like to come out the water and get that hook in your hand. If he be still, I can get him off. There you go. Look, let's go ahead and take both of them for this. Let's see, let's hold him like that so you don't thrash. Sorry people, I don't have a choice. Okay, be still. Goodbye, you guys. Nice fat little chunky bass. Look at that. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Let's get him back in the water. There you go. No, they ain't no crappie. No, they ain't no crappie. That's a bass. That's a nice bass too. Oh my goodness. Get in here, buddy. He had another one following him. Did you see it? He had another one following him. Yeah, another one following him. Come here, buddy. Be still.
Put it in the gill.
Oh, wow. Nice ones, Rascal. Good gracious.
Been eating good.
Oh, man. Look at there.
Hey. Uh-oh. Halfway up the pond.
Oh, God. He got off. Don't. Oh, he got it again. It's a crappie. No.
That's a pickerel.
No.
Oh, that's a bass.
Come here, buddy.